Director Rashad from GulfDrug. How are you doing?
Thank you very much, Katie. Thank you for asking. We're doing fine. We're happy to be here like every other year. And I guess we can't complain.
And so how is Arab Health for your company? How important is it to the company's trajectory for the year?
Arab Health is, I would say, part of the region's tradition. It's one of the very first exhibitions that was established here in the Trade Center in the late 70s. And GulfDrug has been participating since the late 70s with Arab Health. And it is the most important platform for us to show our services, so show our products, and all the integrated solutions that we're able to offer our customers to be able to provide the proper health care to their patients.
And what new innovations have you brought to Arab Health this year?
Well, this year it is more of the integration of robotic surgery and the HIS system, so taking all the medical technologies, having them talk into a central area, so doctors have access to this information to come to be able to have all the medical knowledge, all the data, able to actually provide proper and more accurate treatments for their patients and be able to look back at their histories, with all the documents, with all the x-rays, with all the lab reports, so forth and so on. It's very big. Can't get into too much detail, but it's the future of healthcare is integrated technologies, automation, robotics, and providing accurate information for the doctors to be able to also engage their patients with a proper diagnosis and treatment.
And so you were saying that it's patient-centric. What are the patients wanting at the moment?
Well, that's one of the most difficult questions to answer. Of course, any person gets sick, they want to get cured, they want to get treated, but in order to do that efficiently and fast is to have all the information available, centralized, to all come to one place so the doctors have access to that, and the patient needs to have the comfort that the doctors are aware of everything that goes on with them.
And how have you seen healthcare evolve in the Middle East in the last couple of years?
Oh, in the last couple of years it has, I would say, grown to milestones. It has to big extent in comparison to Europe and the US, as it's on par, if not better.
Oh, big statements.
It is a big statement because at least we have access to medical facilities here and doctors. There are very short waiting times for patients, in contrary to our colleagues in Europe where patients have to wait weeks, if not months, to even see a specialist. Here we have access to that. It's very fast, it's very efficient, and the services and quality is improving every day.
That's great news. And so what else would you like to talk about today?
I think today we're coming towards an end of the pandemic before it gets downgraded to an endemic, and we have to live with it. Big shout out to all of our colleagues in all areas of society who have helped us provide the life-saving healthcare equipment, products, medicines to the end users to get where we are today, and we should not discount the small people who are not doctors, like the cleaners, the janitors. They've played also an important role. Thank you to everyone who actually participated, who did not stay at home, who helped us get through this for the greater good of the country.
And are you excited about the next year for GulfDrug?
I'm always excited because every year brings new challenges, brings new technologies, brings new services, and who knows, we might have a few new breakthroughs in the next couple of years, especially now the pandemic has, I would say, warp-leaped medicine into telehealth. And telehealth is something that's been accepted, it's been embraced, and people have become digitally more savvy than they used to be in the old days, and it's going to become a new norm of life.